Hello, it is a slightly windy but a beautiful day in Melbourne today, which is what we all need to lift our spirits. And what better place to be but in the garden? One of my jobs today is to move this slightly unhappy lemon out of its pot. This is a Mayer lemon, which is more like a cross between an orange and a lemon, and it produces really sweet, yummy fruit. This one's producing quite a bit of fruit, which is lovely, but you'll see that the leaves are losing their colour. Now that means that the soil's basically lost its nutritional value. So I need to get the tree out of this pot into a new one and add some really healthy new soil. The first thing I need to do is to remove about half the fruit and then give the tree a light prune so that any energy can be directed towards the roots to give the tree a really good chance to improve. It's in and I think it's starting to look better already. Now I need to water it in really well with some sea salt, which acts as a soil conditioner and will give the tree the lift that it really needs. I'll do it again in a couple of weeks, and then in spring I'll give it a good feed with some Nutrog Gigantic citrus fertilizer. Hopefully we'll see this tree start to thrive very soon. That's it for today. Happy planting or happy transplanting, and I'll see you soon. Bye.